My name is Dr. Tyler Call. I am a physician and I'm a member of the Scientific Advisory Committee at Young Living. You know, I often get asked how much CBD should I be taking, and that's a hard question for me to answer because we don't have sufficient scientific evidence to answer it. Now, what we do have is studies out there with some dosing that showed benefits. And so one of the studies that I like to refer to out of the University of Colorado showed that 20 milligrams was a good starting dose. It was a dose that they used in their study and it showed benefits. And so plus or minus 20 milligrams is a reasonable place to start based on current scientific data. However, hopefully future studies will come out and give us a better understanding of how much CBD should be used for different reasons. And also we need to remember that each individual is different. And while one person might be benefiting from 10 milligrams, another person might need 30. And you know, we're optimistic that future studies will help us understand this better. Using CBD is a personal journey, and figuring out what it does for you and whether or not it's helping you is something that is going to be an individual experience for everyone. What I recommend is that people start low and slowly increase their dosing until they start noticing the desired effect. You're going to have to be paying attention. Keeping a journal is a good idea. Being mindful of why you're using CBD and looking for benefits associated with that specific topic. These are all very important things that you're going to have to do, and no one can do it for you. Your physician's not going to be able to figure this out for you, or your friends or anything. This is a personal journey where you're going to have to start low, work your way up, and really pay attention to see if it's helping you. A common question I get is, what do I need to know before I start using CBD? And there's really two things that you need to know. Number one, quality is important. You can't just go to the store and buy any old CBD. You don't know what you're getting. There's minimal regulation on CBD products. So you need to buy from a company that knows what they're doing, that's sourcing their product responsibly, that's third-party testing their quality. I'm a big proponent of THC-free, and you know, Nature's Ultra checks all the box for that. It's a high-quality product, and that's really an important place to start. The second thing you need to know when you're starting CBD is that it can interact with medications that you're using. So simply talking to your physician about which medications you're on and if any of them will be affected by CBD is a good thing to do. You can figure out this information yourself by looking online. A general rule is that if something is affected by grapefruit juice, and medications often say on the bottle, don't take this with grapefruit juice, then you would know that CBD is affecting it also. As we look more into the benefits and potential benefits of CBD, we realize the importance of quality. And people often ask me, you know, why are you involved with this CBD company? Well, I think based on current evidence, current publications, there's real science there that suggests real benefits. And I believe also that Nature's Ultra is at the forefront of quality. And when we have a quality CBD product, then we can feel more comfortable about people using it for wellness. And that's why I'm involved.